Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can transfer data from a OneDrive account to another. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So the first thing that you need to do guys once you're here is opening the File Explorer. If you don't find it here, just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then once you do that, right here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery, OneDrive, Desktop, Downloads, and so on. Go ahead and click on the OneDrive section. Then right click on it. And right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open in a new tab, open in a new window, pin to quick access, pin to stars. Here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to always keep on this device, free up space, and right here, you're going to find the OneDrive options. If you click on OneDrive, right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find View Online, Settings, and right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find Folder Color. So basically, guys, right now, go ahead and click on View Online. And then this will take you right here to this page. So basically, guys, once you're here, as you can see, guys, in the left, you're going to find these sections. Here, you're going to find My Files, Recent, Photos, Shared, and right here, you're going to find Recycle Bin. So basically guys, right now, just go to your files and then choose the files that you want to transfer or share. Then click on these three dots right here. As you can see guys, right here, you're going to find the option to share them. If you click on share, as you can see guys, you're going to find the sharing menu right here. Just choose the name, add a name group or an email to share this file with. Or you can just go ahead and click on these three dots, then click on Manage Access. And then once you do that, as you can see guys right here, you can just click on this plus and then start sharing with another person. You can also share it with the group if you want, or you can just generate a link and anyone with this link can edit this file. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.